Sziasztok gyerekek, veletek van Mux, és most egy következő próbálj meg nem nevetni videóval érkezek. Most akkor menjen.
There is police car, but there's policemen inside. Time to get arrested. Are they going in?
Ebből mi lesz?
Go fast. I feel really stupid. They can't like this. Mom's wedding dress will be all dirty. What is he doing? He's checking his balls. And now, what if he doesn't get arrested, but he gets married? Ennätkaa hetki, hei, odottakaa. Teitähän näyttää olevan kaksi, niin kummankos kanssa mä oon oikein mennyt naimisiin?
Kuule, otapa tämä puu.
Käy jos niin...
Ei käy kun irti.
What?
Tää on aika pieni 35 €.
Ei mitään, hyvää päivänjatkoa teille ja... I got a ticket, 35 euros. Only 35 euros.
Kicsike figyelmeztetés kapa?
I just ran away from jail, robbed a bank, and now I'm
No,
gonna
yeah.
get arrested. I'm rich.
Azért ezek annyira nem...
I'm gonna take Let's rob him.
Ezek azért annyira nem viccesek.
Time to get arrested. Good luck. I just robbed the bank! I robbed the bank! I robbed the bank! Arrest me! 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 Yes! Hey, drag him in! Get this! Get this! He's really making it hard. He's trying to grab the car. Now he's going to jail. He's getting a big ticket. He's going for it. He's begging for it. Kevin, he's so getting the glove.
Mikä se oli se on?
Ei ole mitään yösiä. Pääsisikö aika putkaan?
Ei meille pääse. Saako tosta sun temppusta tosiaan? Tiedätkö mitä sulla on vielä edessä?
En tiedä.
Se on kadun siivuun.
Biztos most mondják, hogy vicc volt minden.
How was it? How much is the ticket? 450 euros. That was the best so far.
Ezek most szedik a mindenféle lecseszéseket úgy van. Bocsánat. Csak hát ez...
Back to criminal
Nincs
school.
így mond.
Hey, look at that. They're gonna arrest him. This was perfect plan. The drunk is gonna do a diversion move. He took my jail place. No! That's how you do it. Here's how I got a license for driving a tank.
Mi lesz az?
He's marking his territory.
Az vicces. Ezek tisztára hülyék.
Yeah, I think they
Kicsesznek
ran out
két
of humor
rendőrrel, úgymond.
on this one. Let's get out of here. Go, 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 go! Damn. Jukka actually made it.
Nem mi volt az, nem mi volt az öcső?
We need some weapons. The shotgun is mine. I'm ready.
Ezek tisztára hülyék.
Let's
A
go.
rendőröket fel akarják kicseszni.
You ready to rob a bank? I don't think the time was just yet. But we'll just get more surprise if we're gonna rob it right away.
Mi játékoztők? Komoly?
Just run in, put everybody on their knees, take the money and get out. All right, you guys ready? Yeah. We're going now. We're going. Ah! I don't want to die before the robbery. Go, 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 go. Go with us. Come on, man. Everybody shut up! There's a robbery! Everybody stand up! Put your hands behind your back! I walk over here! Go, 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 go! On your knees! Hands behind your head! You don't want to die in a day like this! Is everybody there? Yeah! Go, go! Hands down! Katseet alas! Päät alas! Mr. Mayor, ready? Katseet maassa! Ready? We'll take everything. Ready? Let's go fast, 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 fast! Yeah! Katseet maassa! Katseet maassa!
They just heard from the police radio that somebody has robbed a bank in Elistaro.
Nobody makes an alarm or we...
Na jó van, ezek
Yeah, we have a
őrültek.
hostage!
Wait. Megint valamit bevenni. Mindegy. Látjátok, ezt írogatta ki mindig a telefonom, amikor azzal a játékkal is játszottam, de nem meg tudom oldani.
Come on, all right. Come on, go! All right there. Faster. What a shitty getaway car.
Minecraft-ozzam, az nem sokára lesz. Most... Hányadika van?
Shit, there's more cops. Just past them.
Bocsánat, gyerekek, most ennyi lett volna ez a videó, a másik felével majd jövök. Én Vux voltam. Sziasztok!